Many congratulations, Bianca and Julius. I wish you all the very best for your married lives together.
Dear Bianca and Julius, I'm wishing you a lot of happiness on this wonderful journey that you're about to embark on. I have one piece of advice to give you, which was the advice that we were given, Priyan and I, when we got married, and that is never go to sleep angry. If you're in bed, fight it out, shout it out, whatever you need to do, but resolve it before you go to sleep. That is one piece of advice. I wish you both lots of love and happiness, good friends, family, loved ones around you, and of course, lots and lots and lots and lots of love.
Congratulations, Bianca and Julius. We wish you a very happy married life together.
Hi, Bianca and Banjo. I just want to send my warmest congratulations for the both of you, for this wedding, for this union, and for entering a new chapter of your lives. Today, we celebrate you, and I'm wishing you lifetime of happiness and joy. As you enter a new chapter, we know that there may be ups and downs, but may you always choose to love each other. Again, congratulations. Enjoy this day. Enjoy your married life, and see you soon.
Hello ng Banjo. Hello Ate Bianca. On this joyous occasion, may your heart beat as one. May your days be filled with love, respect, and countless moments of joy. Congratulations ng Banjo, Ate Bianca.
Hello to my daughter, Bianca Kido, and of course to you, Julius. Congratulations on this very special day. Alagaan niyo ang isa't isa, especially na si Bianca, yung aking unang anak na ikakasal. So dapat talaga alagaan mo siya, Julius. And I am wishing you a forever of happiness, peace of mind, serenity, that sense of fulfillment, and of course, that unconditional love. Nandito lang ako lagi for the both of you. Once again, congratulations and enjoy a lifetime of being together.
Hello Bianca, welcome back to our channel. Hello Bianca, Una sa lahat, congratulations, Grabe ka, napakaswerte ni Sir Jules, ni paring Jules, Ay, talaga. Si Bings kasi po, sa mga hindi nakakilala sa kanya, huwag nyo nang kilalanin. Joke lang po, Sobrang sweet, sobrang maalaga. Diyos ko, dati nag-overnight lang tayo. Ngayon, kasama ka na sa pamilya natin, na ikakasal ka na rin,
Welcome to the club.
Yan, Bianca and Sir Jules, congratulations, We really pray, that your wedding, yung relationship ninyo ay talagang magsasama ng matagal. And we really hope also, na soon, kung makabalik man kayo dito sa Pilipinas, magkaroon tayo ng short bonding, kasama nung ating mga tropa, And really, Bianca, we are very happy, and excited, Kung, Bianca, kilala mo ako. Kung nandito yan sa Pilipinas, nako talaga, may dala pa akong Tupperware. Ikaw, B, baka may sasabihin ka kay Binks,
Ayan, Bianca, grabe, laki mo na. Dalaga ka na. Dati maliit ka pa, pero ayan, welcome to the club, ng pagiging married. And I really hope, short lang, I really hope and pray that you will have a long and fruitful marriage. Ayan, we love you, Bianca.
We love you, Binks. Congratulations po. Sana po makarating ang gold. Ay, hindi lang. Ang mga handa, Again, Bianca, congratulations. We love you. Enjoy. Alam mo na yan. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nong. Hi, Ate Bianca. Congratulations sa inyo nga duwa. Wish ko lang taad perminyo intindihon ang isa't isa kay ang away challenge lang na sa mag-asawa. Amo lang to, happy wedding ka. God bless sa inyo nga duwa. I love you both. I'm so happy for you, the both of you. I love you, Nong. Congratulations. Happy gid kami sa inyo.
I love you, Tito Banjo. I love you, Tita Bianca.
Ate Soy and Kuya Julius. Congrats to the both of you and we wish you all the best and we hope to see you soon, Ate and Kuya. We love you.
Congrats ate! Congrats Julius! Masaya kami para sa inyo. Uwi na.
Congrats ate!
Hi, Ate Soy and Kuya Julius. Miss na miss ko na kayo and sana makauwi na kayo.
Bye!
Hello! Congrats sa inyong dalawa, Jules tsaka B. Wow, Jules, close kami. Pero hindi. Congrats sa buhay mag-asawa ninyo, no? Jules and P, no? So, sa wakas, no? Meron na kayong makakasama sa forever, no? Forever na paghugas ng pinggan, forever na paglalaba, pamamalansya, tsaka pag-iisip ko nung uulamin for dinner, gano'n, no? Pero hindi. Forever kasi talaga yan, no? Pero congratulations. No, masasabi ko lang, narinig ko lang naman to, no. Sabi nila daw yung buhay mag-asawa daw para daw yung telenovela, no. May drama, may action, no, may mga commercial breaks, pero sabi nila madalas daw ano yan, parang horror, no. Kasi papakabugwin daw yung dibdib mo, no. Hindi man horror na nakakatakot si Mister, no, or nakakatakot si Mrs., no. Maligno pala, no. Hindi, joke lang. So yun, no, so parang exciting daw siya, no. So enjoyin nyo lang, no. Kapit lang kayo sa isa't isa at enjoyin nyo yung bawat episode nyo ng telenovela ninyo na may title na pinamagatang Habang Buhay Nakasama Ka. Oh, charot. Alright, sige. I hope to see the both of you soon, very soon, and congratulations. Love you. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Bianca and Julius. We're happy for you. We love you. See you soon. Bye!
Congrats and best wishes, Ma'am Shi Bianquix and Boss Ojnab. Tingnan mo nga naman at finally kakasal na rin kayo. Ang sad lang kasi wala ko dyan para ma-witness yung wedding ceremony. Pero, dahil kayo ang most favorite couple ko, dapat pasabog ang regalo ko sa inyo. Kaya naman, I'll be doing a special meet and greet dyan sa Dubai. So, I hope to see you there. At sa mga fans ko dyan, kita-kits mga kabayan. Sana lang huwag makaharang sa immigration. Okay, bye-bye. Congrats and see you soon, guys. Love you, love you.
Congratulations mga mahal ko. Isa lang masasabi ko, sana all. Pasensya na kung di ako nakasama sa inyong pag-iisang dibdib. Di bale, bawi na lang ako pag may part 2 dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lang. Love you, Ate Bianca. And hi, Kuya. Ingatan mo ang aming Ate Bianca.
Hi, Ate Bianca and Kuya Julius. Congratulations. Sana mapuno ng love and happiness yung pagsama yung dalawa. And yun lang. Congratulations and best wishes.
Hi Dong, Julius Dudong. Soy, kumusta ka? Kumusta kayo? First of all, happy wedding day, guys. May God bless you more at saka more babies to come. Kasi wala tayong pamangkin, guys. Wala akong masyadong ma-advise kasi you know better kayo magkasama. The only thing is always respect. Iwasan ang hindi pagkakaunawaan, yung sigawan. Kapag hindi kaya, huwag sumigaw. Mag-count ka ng 1 to 10. Yun lang. Anyway, enjoy your day, guys. And see you around. See you soon. Okay? Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Bianca! Hi, Julius! Congratulations! Hi, Dad! Hi! Hi, Ate Rebecca! Hi! Flying kiss na na. Sus! Congratulations sa inyo! And best wishes! Bye! Love, love!
Hello, Bianca! Congratulations and best wishes, Julie and Julius. Congrats! Magsama kayo ng habang buhay.
Hi, Ate and Kuya Julius. May your marriage be filled with delight and happy moments. Always choose to be happy whatever the situation is.
Wishing you a never-ending love and happy life together. Congratulations, Ate, and welcome to the family, Kuya.
Hi,
Ate Soy! Congratulations! We miss you guys! We love you!
We love you!
Baka naman!
Baka naman! Baka naman!
Congratulations! We love you!
Love you!
Bye-bye! Love you!
Bye-bye!
Hi, Bianca and Julius! Congratulations! Ang saya-saya namin for you. And we wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. Sayang, wala kami dyan. Pero excited na kami to see you both and celebrate with you soon. Congrats!
Hi, Joy and Bianca. Congratulations. I wish you all the best. Stay in love and put God always on your relationship. Maraming challenges ang darating. Just be strong and more patience. Again, congratulations. Welcome to the married life.
Hi, Bing. Sorry. Nalate ako ng send ng video. Galing lang akong work. But I'm really excited for your next journey. And congratulations on your wedding. Excited na! May ninong! Woo! Pangalan mo sa akin yung anak niya.